What do you call this, like snacks na sa kanila. And also, yung adobo din is they came from Spanish, like sa Spain, yung sinakot tayo. But yung pagkakaiba naman is, during that time, yung adobo nila is madaming paminta because Spanish loves spices po during that time. And also, yung curry, at saka yung, what do you call this, yung curry and yung din yung pandareta din, balik plus sa Spanish. And also, sino ba dito yung kumakain ng mga siopaw, siomay, and so on? Like siopaw, like siomay, like ganun. So,
Siomay.
Yung pagkain na ito is basically nagaling siya from China.
Street food, yummy, 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 yummy.
Let's proceed sa street food. So, alam naman natin na everyday, Filipino talaga yung everyday, like, if nasa labas tayo ng school or kahit saan pa tayo magpunta, may mga vendor talaga ng street food. They sell different type of street food, kagaya ng isaw, yung paa ng manok, kwek-kwek, then they also sell yung mga fish ball at saka balon at saka yung taho. So, basically yung street food, siya yung parang pinapakita na unique, yung flavor at saka uniqueness ng Pinoy pagdating sa mga pagkain. So, before we proceed sa next, can I ask like tatlo dito na like classmate natin and like magbigay kayo like parang ano yung favorite nyo na street food so far? At saka ano yung parang ayaw nyo? Sige, Mariela.
Favorite ko na street food ay yung kwek-kwek na yung
Bakit ba?
Kasi based sa taste palette ko, I lean more towards salty. Kaya kinakain ko yung kwek-kwek kasi salty siya. Pero di ko siya nilalagyan ng sauce. Kasi sweet yung sauce. Gusto ko salty lang. Tapos yung hindi ko gusto, panot. Pero kinakain ko yung yellow. Yung chip lang yun. Kasi hindi ko siya
Sino ba? Like, ba't mag-give na
It's just wrapped with
Ako na, Day. Wait, ako. Ako, Day, no? Inuulam ko yung street food, eh. Ano na? Ay, sorry. Si Matt, di ko na makita si Matt.
So now, sino ba yung pwede magbigay ng like, ano yung favorite mo? Ba't na tayo?
yung favorite ko, same lang ako. Kasi bata ako, uri ko pa kaya, mga sides sa dog niya, binibigay ko lang sa tatay niya. And then, yung sauce naman, I love pala sauce yung suka, more on salt ako, tapos yellow, ibigay yung dog, then kapag yung white wine niya is soft, nakain ko pag ilagay ako. And hindi naman talaga hindi talaga para sa ito. Pero, siguro yung isaw namin ni ayos ang mag-garnish.
Sige pa, sino ba yung mga
Yung favorite street food ko talaga is kikiam. Originally made from fish talaga siya. Or kung pwede, yung fishball. Fishball ba yun? Pero some of the fishball, parang yung floor lang talaga siya. Kinakain ko siya, ginagawa ko siyang ulam. Sarap mga isa or dalawa lang. Yun lang. Tag 10 pesos isa siya. Hate street food? Ano, lahat sila kasi unhealthy. Kaya minsan lang ako kumakain ng street food.
So last one na guys, sige pa lang ano. One more guys.
Ano daw?
So now, during our modern era, so yung Filipino dishes natin is mas naging naging diverse since mas dumadami na yung mga flavors and so on na parang naghanap na from other country and also from us, sa mga indigenous people. Now, one of the example is yung bagnet, which is deep fried na parang pork yan siya, and nakikita yan siya always from Ilocos, Cordilleras, at saka sa Cagayan. And we also have yung sisig, yung grilled sisig, which is always na nakikita sa Pampanga, or minsan na dito sa atin nakikita natin, but mainly daw, dun sa base sa research natin, sa Pampanga daw siya na parang mas known well. At saka yung Halo-Halo din, sa Pampanga din siya. And then yung Bicol Express, although it's sa Bicol talaga siya nanggaling. And then, Turacha din is nakikita siya sa Davao, Cotabato, Cagayan de Oro, General Santos, at saka dito sa Zamboanga. So, it showcase na kahit na nasa ibang panin tayo ng Pinas, may mga different flavor pa din from other country na parang nag-blend pa din from our own like dishes. So for example, yung Bagnet Sisig, so they came from other country and also a mix of our own history.
Every Bicol Express is produced in Bicol. It's loaded with red seeds. Wow! Red seeds. And what there is in Ilocos, it's made out of pork. Yeah, with the skin. And it's really crunchy. Yeah, it's really Actually, it's the fats of the pork meat that make it yummy. Tapos may suka, loaded with red seed.
So now, yung sabi ko sa akin, yung sa part na history natin, but it is a dito sa
Sangyup.
Philippines ngayon na kung saan
Nakaano ka na? Nakatikim ka na? Wala pa sin.
with kimchi and
Pork
other
yan?
foods at
Ay, pork.
makapangaliments.
Pero may beef.
Which
May
really
beef siya.
popular in modern Filipino diet.
Pero mahal talaga.
kanina
Isang
kasi
tao
natin
400.
yung during
Unlimited beef. Tapos,
sinali ko lang to siya kasi we're basically like, parang nandun yung cycle na kung saan nag-grill pa rin tayo at the same time, similar pa din siya dun sa pre-colonial era. Pero now, parang mas nag-improve na siya because we have that path na kung saan tayo magluto and so on. And then, we add like kimchi and other style from other foreign country, which is yung sa Korea.
It takes time for one to produce kimchi. Kasi kailangan pa yung ferment. I-ferment. The longer it is, mas
Pero yung
And then lastly, we have cuisine na featured din sa modern era dito sa Philippines, which is yung adobo, which is well known. Madaming types, variety ng adobo, pwede maging chicken, pork, or anong meat kaya na magagamit mo in order for you to use that as a meat dun sa adobo. And then we also have tansy, ano yun siya, like parang bone marrow, like tapos nilalagay sa parang sour and at the same time, maanghang yun siya na parang soup. Parang similar lang siya sa ulalo, but parang may nag-add pa ng flavor, parang something like it. And then we also have yung lechon, which is very popular during sa mga festival and so on. During festival, during like Christmas, Noche Buena. So yan yung mga ginagamit like right food na parang karaniwan na makikita sa table ng mga Pinoy. And then we also have yung caldereta, which minsan nalilita sila yung caldereta, yung afritada. But nilagay na ng example na is yung caldereta, which is a mix of like meat and at the same time may potato, and then ano tawag yung beans and so on. And then they also add yung mga carrots, and then carrots. And then we also have
Ano yun?
laing. So yung laing natin is yung taro leaves yun siya na
Di lang
parang
nawala
inano
yung
sa
Yung?
coconut
Hindi lang.
milk
Hindi lang yan.
na kung saan it can be like pwede siya kadagdagan ng one cup, mahapang or not. So yan yung siya yung laing. And then we also have yung kakanin, which is very popular during very popular siya in terms na parang during umaga pa lang parang may narinig niya na nagbebenta niya umaga, and then parang narinig mo sila na benta ko kakainin, parang gano'n. So madaming guys na kakainin, meron sila like yung mga ube na mixture na gano'n, and then we also have yung biko, which is very popular din kasi parang yun yung parang ginadala during mga events. So, yun lang sa modern days.
Okay.